All right, so we have a table with function, right? And so really when you think of functions, you can think of this as the x and just think of this as like a y, right? It's like a y equals, right? So now I have a table of x, y values, right? If I want to know what f of negative 6 is, right, 6 would be my x, but because I have x, y values, I can find an equation of this line because I have a table of x, y values. I'm going to find the slope first, which is change in y over change in x, right? So let's just do that. I'm going to let's do these points, right? So this xy point, I have one point is negative 2 comma 20. This one's negative 1 comma 14, right? So I'm going to do change in y. I'm going to do 14 minus 20 over negative 1 minus negative 2, right? 14 minus 20 is negative 6. Negative 1 plus 2 is 1. So now my equation is y equals, negative 6x plus b. To solve for b, I can take any one of the numbers in here, right? Let's do this 2, negative 4. They're small, so and I can plug them in for my y and x. This being my y, negative 4 equals 2 times negative 6 is negative 12 plus b. If I add 12 to this side and solve for b, I get that 8 is b, giving me a final equation of y equals negative 6x plus 8, right? This is my equation. Now I can plug this in for my x and solve for my y, which you could say is like your f of x technically, right? Okay, so that means that's going to equal negative 6 times negative 6, which is this right here, plus 8, which is 36, plus 8, and that is going to equal 44. Answer choice D.